Welcome to Session 4, Slope. Slope measures both steepness and direction. Instead of finding a segment's length, we compare its vertical change with its horizontal change. This ratio appears in graphs, ramps, rates, and linear models. Today, you will calculate rise over run, predict whether the result is positive or negative, identify zero and undefined slope, and interpret slope as a rate of change. The slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. The numerator is rise, or vertical change. The denominator is run, or horizontal change. Choose an endpoint order and use that same order in both differences. Before calculating, read the line from left to right. A rising line should produce positive slope. A falling line should produce negative slope. Find the slope through 1, 2 and 4, 8. Rise equals 8 minus 2, or 6. Run equals 4 minus 1, or 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. This means the line rises 2 units for every 1 unit moved right. The rise-run triangle can be simplified from 6 over 3 to 2 over 1 without changing the line's steepness. Now, find the slope through 2, 5 and 5, 2. Rise is 2 minus 5, or negative 3. Run is 5 minus 2, or positive 3. The slope is negative 1. The graph falls 1 unit for each unit moved right. If you reverse the endpoint order, both differences change sign, and positive 3 divided by negative 3 still equals negative 1. There are 4 slope types. Positive slope rises from left to right. Negative slope falls. A horizontal line has 0 rise, so its slope is 0. A vertical line has 0 run, which would require division by 0. So its slope is undefined. Do not confuse 0 and undefined. Flat means 0. Straight up and down means undefined. Slope is also a contextual rate. If distance rises from 100 miles at 2 hours to 250 miles at 5 hours, the rise is 150 miles and the run is 3 hours. The slope is 50 miles per hour. Always attach meaning. Output change per 1 unit of input. On an unlabeled coordinate grid, slope may be unitless. In context, its units are y units per x unit. Use this routine. Predict the sign. Calculate rise. Calculate run in the same point order. Divide and simplify. Then interpret the result. Final check. Through 0, 0 and 2, 8, rise is 8 and run is 2. So the slope is 4. In Session 5, slope becomes the coefficient m in y equals mx plus b, allowing us to write and graph complete line equations. www.bridgetoexam.com